Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tasnia Sultana speaking in front of you with new topic of class 7. My PI nong is 4.9 and my page number is 37. Before starting this activity presentation, I want to share some message with my online friends and viewers. We know that there are 66 pages for summative assessment 1, and among these 66 pages there have only 9 PI, and we know that PI means performance indicator. Every PI indicates a particular activities. Now I want to perform about PI nong 4.9. So my dear online friend, are you know that what kind of degree? There are 3 kind of degree. One is positive degree, 2 is comparative degree, and another is superlative degree. Now I want to share some rule of degree. My first rule is which word consists by only one syllable, we use er or es to make comparative degree or superlative degree. Example: black, blacker, blackest. Now my second rule is which adjective or adverb last word is we use I or I instead of y, and according to the rule we use er or est to make comparative degree or superlative degree. Example: busy, busier, busiest. My third or last rule is which word consists by 2 or more than syllable, we use more or most before this word to make comparative degree or superlative degree. Example: honest, more honest, most honest. Now I want to perform about PI nong 4.9. Read the rules again and write the comparative and superlative degrees of the given adjectives in your exercise book. Then compare your answers in pairs. For your betterment, I want to share this Bangla. নিয়মগুলো পুনরায় পড়ো এবং তোমার পাঠ্য বইতে দেওয়া সকল অ্যাডজেক্টিভ এর কম্পারেটিভ আর সুপারলেটিভ ডিগ্রিগুলো খুঁজে বের করে লেখো। তারপর চড়ায় ভাগ হয়ে তোমাদের উত্তরগুলো মেলাও। Now I want to perform about this answer. Slow, slower, slowest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Happy, happier, happiest. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Famous, more famous, most famous. Far, far, farthest. Cold, colder, coldest. Handy, handier, handiest. Talented, more talented, most talented. And fat, fatter, fattest. That's all about my information. If I mistake in this grammar, if I mistake in this PI, please pray for me and pardon me. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.